In this video, we will show you how to commission the Sunny Tripower X60 using the Commissioning Assistant.
We will place a special focus on the configuration and installation of the fast stop input.
Before performing any electrical work on the inverter, make sure that the inverter is disconnected and secured against being switched on again.
First, connect the fast stop contact.
Please ensure that input FS1 has a turn-off time of 100 milliseconds so that it is suitable for connecting the NA contactor required by VDE-AR-N 4105. The FS2 input, with a shutdown time of 1 second, is suitable as a universal connection, for example for external switches. Follow the detailed connection instructions in the inverter's operating manual. In our case, we are using the connection to the FS1 input. To connect a trigger contact and link multiple Sunny Tripower X60 inverters, we connect the inverters in series as shown in the wiring diagram. If you choose to connect to the FS2 input, make sure to observe the correct pin assignment. Once the connection has been made correctly, commissioning can be carried out using the Commissioning Assistant. First, make all the necessary settings for network configuration, time, and service according to your requirements. In the Update step, we recommend enabling automatic updates. Since, as an example, we are connecting a grid and plant protection monitoring unit to the digital input according to VDE-AR-N 4105, we will select the corresponding country data set in the next step. The settings for active and reactive power depend on the further requirements of your system, such as NELEV or EAAV. The commissioning via the Commissioning Assistant is now complete. Afterwards, we activate the parameter settings for grid and plant protection. We do this via the device parameters. To do this, select the device in the focus navigation. And go to Parameters via Configuration. There, you can use the search bar to look for grid and plant protection and set the parameter to Set. Save your settings.
However, if you have made the connection for fast stop and want to configure it, navigate to I/O Configuration via Configuration.
There, you can use the New I/O Configuration button to configure the digital input. We hope this video was able to help you with your questions. If you need further assistance, check out more tech tips on our channel or leave your questions in the comments below this video. Would you like to always see the latest tech tips about SMA products? Then subscribe to our channel.